CPUZ is a completely free program that finds and shows you the hardware information of your system or laptop in less than a few seconds. Welcome back to your channel, Golha channel. I'll be with you in a 2-minute introduction. In this 2-minute introduction, I want to introduce CPUZ program to you. To download and install, just search the CPUZ. Now open the CPUID.com website and download it from this section. It is downloaded to your system very quickly. Then open the download folder and click on the program setup to start the installation process. The installation process completed by clicking on the agreement, next and install buttons. Now run the program from desktop and click yes. Immediately the program will start collecting our system hardware information. Then this window will open and here you can see information about the CPU, motherboard, RAM, cache memory and even graphics and graphics card benchmarks. Of course, you can also use the GPUZ program to see the specification of the graphics card to get more detailed information about your system GPU. CPUZ has become very popular among IT men and freelancers these days, and one of the important tools for extracting hardware information from computerized systems. If you aren't familiar with the word freelancer, subscribe the channel, turn on the notification bell so you don't miss the next video on the channel. Another interesting option for IT men and hardware experts is that it's possible to view the number of memory slots, and to upgrade the memory of laptop and systems they face favor challenges. Also, there is a version of this program for Android operating system which you can download from the Google Play Store. At the end, don't forget to like this video and comment your ideas about the next video in the comment section.